Need to trim those high branches this fall? Look no further. In this video, we're reviewing the top 5 pole saws on the market. From electric to gas, we've got you covered. Let's find the perfect tool for your tree trimming needs. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Echo DPPT 2600H eForce X Series Electric Pole Saw. Echo, known for its pro-grade gas tools, is making strides with battery-powered models like this pole saw. It offers a 16-foot reach, extendable to 20 feet with an optional extension, providing excellent versatility for pruning high branches. The saw is powered by a 56-volt brushless motor and features a 10-inch bar, capable of handling limbs up to 8 inches thick. Its 5 amp-hour battery offers decent runtime, depending on the job's intensity, while the variable speed trigger allows precise control over chain speed. You get gas-like power without the noise, fumes, or hassle. However, at over 16 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which could be a concern for extended use. Number 2. Jameson FG-6 PKG-7 FG Series Manual Pole Saw. Jameson's manual pole saw has long been the industry standard, thanks to its durability and precision. As a proud owner, I've used this fiberglass model for both professional work and backyard pruning, consistently achieving clean cuts on various branch sizes. It features a 16-inch blade with hardened steel teeth that quickly slices through branches up to 6 inches thick. The blade's slight curve enhances reach, allowing you to cut high branches even when fully extended to 12 feet by connecting 2 6-foot poles. For smaller branches up to 1.75 inches, the blade can be swapped out for the included double-pulley pruner by pressing the leaf spring locking button. Additionally, Jameson offers several compatible attachments, like a telescopic pole and limb razor, which I've used and highly recommend for added versatility. Number 3. Black & Decker 20-volt max cordless pole pruning saw. This pole saw may not match the power or features of higher-end models, but it's ideal for small jobs. Its 8-inch bar can handle limbs up to 6 inches in diameter, and Black + Decker claims it can make up to 100 cuts on 1.5-inch limbs or 50 cuts on 4-inch limbs per charge. However, the chain requires manual oiling. The pole extends up to 10 feet, giving a maximum overhead reach of 14 feet. Weighing just 6.3 pounds, it's easier to maneuver than many competitors. Once you're done pruning, it conveniently breaks down into 3 parts for compact storage. This lightweight pole saw is perfect for quick maintenance on small trees and shrubs, offering convenience without the heft or complexity of larger models. Number 4. Husqvarna 525 P4S Gas Pole Saw. Husqvarna is known for top-tier chainsaws, and its gas-powered pole saw is no exception. Featuring a 25 cubic centimeter engine and a 12-inch bar, it can cut limbs up to 10 inches in diameter from a maximum reach of 13 feet. Built for durability, it includes a rear impact guard and metal skid plate to protect the engine. A built-in air cleaning system keeps debris out of the air filter, while an automatic oiler eliminates the hassle of manual lubrication. Though it weighs nearly 14 pounds, the ergonomic padded handle and balanced design make it easier to control. This premium pole saw is ideal for professionals or anyone with extensive tree maintenance needs, offering Husqvarna's reliability and performance for demanding tasks. Number 5. Stihl GTA 26 Mini Chainsaw and Extension Pole. Stihl's GTA 26 Mini Chainsaw redefines pruning with its compact design and 4-inch bar, offering one-handed operation ideal for trimming shrubs and small branches. When paired with the optional 5-foot extension, it transforms into a versatile pole saw for light pruning tasks. Switching between the pole saw and handheld chainsaw is seamless. Just flip a latch to detach the extension. This makes it easy to prune overhead branches and quickly switch to cutting them into smaller pieces once they're on the ground. While the extension is great for light pruning, a bit more length would improve its reach. Still, this dual-purpose tool delivers a powerful combo, perfect for small-scale tree care and yard maintenance. So, which pole saw is the best? After careful consideration, we've chosen the Husqvarna 525 P4S gas pole saw as our top pick. Its powerful gas engine, long reach, and durability make it a great choice for both professional and DIY users.